Undikumbukira Project app Zambia has launched a toll-free Child Justice Helpline on the Copper Belt to serve as a platform for community members to report issues affecting children. App Zambia Executive Director Sarah Larai says the Child Helpline will help children and concerned citizens to access free legal information in many local languages. Ms. Lario says the organization is committed to serving children and vulnerable people who are at risk of being forgotten, especially children in juvenile correctional facilities. Details in the following report.
This is an idea that has been in development for the last 2 years. The Child Justice Helpline has elected stakeholders that has witnessed the dream and efforts come alive. Today, Undikumbukire Project launched the toll-free Child Justice Helpline on the Copper Belt in a bid to divert judicial proceedings involving children. Ms. Sarah Larios is a UP Zambia Executive Director, and she said the Child Helpline will help citizens to access free legal information.
So in launching this hotline today, it will allow people from around the country and various communities to easily reach a source for free for legal assistance and information. So it can be in Kitwe, it can be in Ndola, it could be in Eastern Province, it could be in Lusaka. But what makes this so important is it's available equally across the country, and anyone who has a question or a concern about child justice or knows of an actual case can reach out and actually receive assistance.
Judith Mchenje is a senior legal officer. She said the UP Zambia will provide a free legal representation to juveniles.
The launching of the 2046 helpline is really a plus on our side because we are not able to go in other places which are quite far. But now, when people are aware of this number, they'll be calling us and giving us an opportunity to know that there are juveniles in such police stations and posts, and then we'll make ourselves available at that particular time.
Kitwe District Commissioner Lawrence Mwanza is elated with a new development in the district.
It is a plus for us to receive such an initiative. We have a lot of challenges in our district, especially to do with our young ones. Now, looking at the children that we have, they do not have the information about that. And you'd find that some of them, they are arrested, taken to Kamfinsa, and they stay longer. And these are the child that we need also to reform and bring back to community.
And some pupils gave their views on the new development.
Situations whereby olijana mu situation njotezedde kulijanina mo whereby ndiza bakujana olwalubanje, but before taking you to court ningotuma kuli app Zambia.
2046 is for every juvenile, and I would like to encourage parents out there that if you find yourself in any situation, like your children found themselves in any situation, like any crime, who are juveniles below the age of 16, they can just call 2046.
It's very important for those children who are passing through a lot of problems, and for those parents who don't have money to buy airtime, they can just use this same toll-free 2046.
The Child Justice Helpline becomes another tool for concerned citizens not to just bring attention to a certain situation, but also to get a trained team involved to contest civic actions to help vulnerable child offenders with no proper legal representation. For Flavor TV News in Kitwe, I am Lakson Mwale.